In today's fast-moving manufacturing industry, even a small delay can make a big difference. Accurate quotes and clear design communication are no longer optional, they're critical to success. At First Mold, we focus on practical solutions by combining your 3D files with DFM principles, aiming to simplify your path from concept to production. When we receive your 3D model, we don't just glance over it. We dive into every detail, ensuring it meets the highest standards for success. 3D model checks are about more than just looking over the design. When we get your 3D model, we're not just scanning it like, okay, cool design.
No way!
We're diving deep into every detail because that's the key to making your product a success. Feature analysis with CAD tools. We evaluate critical dimensions, wall thickness, and other design details to ensure your part is robust and production ready. Manufacturing feasibility checks. From identifying slide mechanisms for complex geometries to optimizing material flow, we solve potential challenges before they arise. Tailored optimization. By providing actionable insights, like adjusting draft angles or reinforcing ribs, we enhance your design for manufacturability. This minimizes risks and reduces production costs. DFM integration, bringing design and manufacturing together. Applying DFM principles early ensures smoother production and significant cost savings. Instead of costly trial and error, we simulate critical factors like material shrinkage, gating, and mold cooling early on. This way, potential challenges are addressed up front. Based on your project needs, we recommend the right materials, like high-strength engineering plastics for load-bearing parts, and match them with ideal processes such as injection molding or die casting. With DFM, we streamline timelines while maintaining strict quality standards, ensuring reliable results. We offer custom-made solutions based on your specific needs. Every project is different, and we customize solutions to meet your goals. For time-sensitive projects, we offer rapid tooling solutions. In just a few days, we deliver precision molds for low-volume production or product validation, meeting tight deadlines without compromising quality. For high-volume projects, we provide durable molds and optimized production setups, ensuring consistency and efficiency for thousands or even millions of units. Whether it's hybrid solutions combining 3D printing and CNC machining for prototypes, or selecting the right mold materials for durability, we collaborate with you to create a strategy that aligns with your goals. A client once approached us with an urgent need for a thin-walled part. By optimizing their design, we reduced the lead time by 30% and delivered the finished product 2 weeks ahead of schedule. Why choose First Mold? 1. Specialized expertise. Mastery in rapid tooling and injection molding ensures precision and efficiency. 2. Strategic proximity. Located in Mexico, we offer faster delivery and reduced lead times for US clients. 3. Comprehensive support. From file review to final shipment, we make your manufacturing seamless. Ready to turn your designs into reality? Send us your 3D files today or drop your questions in the comments. Let's make it happen.